Alright guys, so to get started with this DIY, I have a piece of fabric here. So what we're going to do is we're going to just flip it over and we want to work from the back side. We're going to take a circular template. I'm just using a pencil and I'm just tracing around the circle template. So I like to just fold the fabric in half. And then what I like to do is I like to just cut it off. So when I cut this out, I'm going to have 2 circles instead of just 1. Then when you have a nice healthy stack of circles, you can move on to the next step, which is placing a bunch of your circles together. And then we're going to cut our circles in half. So now we have a stack of semicircles, and I've actually cut up a ton. All right, so what I have here is just a pillow cover. I've just put in a piece of cardboard. What I have here is just a plain kitchen plate, and make sure that it's in the middle of my pillow cover, and I'm going to trace around the plate. Then I'm going to take all my semicircles. I'm going to put 3 dots on the straight edge of the semicircle. And then I'm going to take my semicircle and I'm going to place down the 2 edges first. But see how I'm puffing up the fabric a little bit? So I'm going to place those on the edge of my circle. And then I'm going to take that middle piece and I'm going to fold it together so that I get a nice kind of petal shape to my semicircle. And then we're going to work our way around the semicircle doing the same pattern over and over again. I'm just going to set this one aside for just a second. And then I'm going to bring in this one that I did up ahead of time. And then I'm going to show you how we finish off this flower. And when you get closer to the middle, the center of the flower, you can really scrunch up these petals. I'm just going to use a bit of hot glue. So there we go, we have our pillow all done. So we just need to put the inside. So we're gonna take our cardboard out and we're gonna slide our pillow form in. There we go, let's go set this up in our home. So there you have it guys. I now have 2 beautiful flower fabric pillows that go so nicely in my master bedroom. So pick fabrics that already match your home decor, pick pillow covers that match your home decor, and really go to town with this project. I hope that you liked it and I really hope that you'll try it. If you're looking for more great DIY ideas from me, you can follow me over on my own page, Holly Grace DIY and Lifestyle. So thankful that you guys decided to join me, and I really hope that I'll see you again on another episode. Bye.